Hey guys, it's Vincent with Lexus of Wesley Chapel. Today I'm going to show you map options. So go ahead and click on the map options icon. And we're going to start with map mode at the top. Moving down, you see map information, then map data. Grayed out at the bottom is edit route, pause route guidance, and route overview. Those are grayed out because there is not a destination currently set to the navigation. So let's start with map mode. So going back up to the top, we're going to select that. And then you see turn list, freeway exit list, intersection, turn by turn. Those are grayed out because, again, we're not in a destination. And you have to be traveling on the highway to be able to access the freeway exit list, for example. Moving down to map information, you can choose what you want or what not to see on your map, like route trace, traffic information, and speed limit. When the little blue light next to it is lit up, that means that it's turned on. When it's not, it's turned off. And then moving over to map data, it's just letting you know what software your map is running.